a 3D representation of a complete install system which we have in Saudi Arabia. This is a very big system, 604 kilos of free available chlorine an hour being produced here. Just to guide you through, the seawater is arriving here by these seawater pumps. These are actually booster pumps, and then which are feeding the screening system, which is here, which is then feeding the SEACLOR generators, which are in this area here covered by the circle. You can see here on the side the transformer rectifiers feeding the DC current to our SEACLOR equipment. Here on the other side you have the local control panels, and coming out of the SEACLOR units you have these yellow pipelines here, which is actually the mixture of hypochlorite, produced hypochlorite with hydrogen gas. And here on the side you have the blowers which will be working for the safety of those tanks. So these purple pipelines here are actually the air which is being blown inside the tanks to dilute the hydrogen gas. Here in this installation in Saudi Arabia, these tanks are pretty big. So all the air which is coming here and diluting the hydrogen would then be coming out here directly into the atmosphere. On the side here, you can see there is the acid cleaning system. This is a fixed system. In Saudi Arabia, as in many other countries, the commercial acid is 33% chlorhydric acid, which is then being diluted to 6%. And this is the acid that's going to be used for the acid cleaning every 6 months or so.